Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Erica from Confessions of a Homeschooler. Today we are going to be unboxing the Precuts Classic Quilt Box. Now I've done a couple of these in the past. This I think will be my third one for them. And I can't show you a box because it actually didn't come in a box. It came in a padded envelope, and I'm going to show you the reason why here in just a second. But if you're new to the Precuts Quilt Boxes, I will go ahead and put a link in the description box here below so you can get more information on them. They offer 3 different boxes. They have a classic, a stash builder, and then I think they have a table runner box as well. Today we're going to be unboxing the classic box, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that came in our envelope is going to be their little kind of information pamphlet, and this pamphlet is really cool. It's like a nice kind of heavyweight cardboard or cardstock. Yeah, not cardboard, cardstock. And it has all the information, the box value, and it also has information on your designer and all of those kinds of things. And so we'll go over that as we get into the box. Now, I don't have a box to show you. Like I mentioned, it came in a padded envelope this time, but there's a really good reason. There's some cool products in here. All right, so in our box, we had this kind of nice little linen pouch in here, and it's filled with goodies. So we're gonna take a look and see what's inside. All right, so first up is the pattern, and this is the, let's see, I don't know how to say that, Asagil quilt pattern. Sorry. This is retailing for $2. It's a really simple little quilt pattern, good for fat quarters, and I think, does it say here? The final quilt is going to be measuring 48 by 48. This looks super beginner friendly and easy to put together. It'd be a really cute wall hanging, and it's just a little one-sided or two-sided, almost like a postcard or something like that size. So not super big, but also pattern's really super easy, and you could definitely make this if you're a beginner. The next thing in the box is this variegated thread, and you could either have gotten pink or green. I obviously got the green one. This is retailing for $3.15. It's melter thread, 100% long stable Egyptian cotton, double mercerized, extremely soft and easy to work with. And I think this is really a beautiful color. I don't know if you can get quite the, let me see if I can get closer for you here. There we go. There you can kind of see the variegation in there. So it's kind of like a nice apple green, then with some lighter and darker tones in it. Okay, so the next thing that came in this month's box, and I am super excited about this product, and actually one of the things that I'm really loving about these pre-cut quilt boxes is the stuff that has been coming in has been really different than I've gotten in other boxes, things that I'm really interested in, and this is no exception. I have seen this little guy everywhere, and this is the small steamer mini iron, and I believe, I want to say Fat Quarter Shop uses this in a lot of their videos. I'm not sure what the brand is of the one that they're using, but home and away steam iron, quick powerful steam in 1 minute. I'll take it out of the box for you so you guys can see it. So here he is. The cord is really nice and long, actually. There we go. And here's what it looks like. All right, so here's what the top of it looks like. It says it has one-touch steam control for added bursts of steam, cord storage, neatly stores cord when not in use, and variable temperature settings, works on almost all fabrics. Non-stick sole plate, resists rust and starch buildup, and then it also comes with this measuring cup included for your convenience, and that is this little guy right here. And then I think you can, it makes it easier to, so this little guy pops out of the top, and then you can use this to pour the water in. And I think this is so cute. I actually used to have one of these little mini irons. It was a Rowenta, and I actually had 2 of them. I loved it because it was so small. It was easy to take places, and it was actually really powerful. It did really great creases, especially for quilting projects. My problem with it was it kept like freaking out after a few months of use and spewing brown water everywhere, so not good. I also had one kind of almost like sizzle and spark on me, and I had to like unplug it really fast. So since then I've kind of stayed away from them, but I've actually looked at this guy. Looks like it has pretty good reviews, and so I'm really excited to see this in the box. And this is probably one of the coolest things I've gotten in any of my subscription boxes. I am like super excited to try this guy. This one is retailing for $32. Should we try it out? I feel like we should try it out. Let's take a look and see how it does. And you just press this button here. You can kind of hear the steam coming out. Voila. That works great, you guys. Perfect. Look at that. Nice, I like it. I'm excited. This is gonna be the perfect little travel iron. Okay, moving on to the fabric. We have a fat quarter bundle called Outer Land by Erin McMorris. And we have, it looks like 12 prints with fresh color fat quarter bundle. This one is retailing for $42, and I will go through all of the prints here with you. Here's the first one. It's kind of a mix between a lavender and a pink. My nails are pink, so if that gives you any idea. Here's the next one, and I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit more of it because it looks like it's a little bit of a gradient. So that's really pretty. These are nice kind of springy colors. Here's the next one, nice little colorful floral, and it's got all of those same tones in it. As I'm looking at these, I feel like they would make really cute project bags, you guys. These prints are super fun. Here's the next one, a little kind of another a little bit darker kind of lavender color with some leaves on it. Again, super cute little trees on a nice white background. Here's a similar print that I just showed you, only it's got like this darker purple background, which is still really pretty. And then here we have another one of those variegated, where it kind of go, or not variegated, but gradient, where it kind of goes from a lighter to a darker. So those are really cool. We have a nice kind of aqua color. The next one, I don't know what color that is. It's kind of yellowish greenish. I'm sure there's a word for it with some aqua leaves. I'm a horrible fabric describer. Have you guys figured that out yet? Last one. And another white print with some of the colorful little trees and whatnot on it. And again, this set is retailing for $42. All right, so here is the whole bundle all together. Look at that. So there again are 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then they start folding the other way though. 9, 10, 11, yep, 12 fat quarters in this bundle. Super fun and springy. I'm loving this. And that's it. That's what's in the March Classic Precuts Quilt Box. Now they do have a coupon in here. There's a 20% off coupon for Free Spirit fat quarter bundles. A list of what you would need to complete the pattern if you wanted to do this, because it doesn't come with like backing and binding and things. And then it says this month's postage was $8. And it looks like this box value was $87.15. So while this box might be a little bit higher in initial price, I feel like you're getting a really good value for your money. And I'm really enjoying the products that are coming in. The fabric is stuff I haven't seen before, which I really like. And then like I said, things like this mini iron, and I mean, that's just so cool to get in a box. Like I was not expecting this. When I opened up the package, I'm like, well, why isn't it in a box? That's weird. It usually comes in a box. And then I realized what was in here. And so I just think that's so cool. So for $87.15, I think this is a pretty good value. I think I like everything in the box. The pattern is probably my least favorite because honestly, this is something really simple. I feel like I could kind of just do this myself. However, I think my favorite things are going to be this fabric and of course this iron. I'm so excited to try this. I can't even get over it. I think this is going to be really fun addition, especially if I go to a friend's house or a sew day at our local quilt shop or something like that. So I think it's gonna be really fun to have this in my stash. And a lot of times these little irons really pack a punch, you guys. The other one that I had got super hot, and it is fairly heavyweight. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. It feels like it's gonna give me some good quality pressing. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited about this bundle. I'm also excited about spring. All of these fun things coming in our boxes is really getting me ready to go for the warmer weather. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, can you please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe? That way I know to keep doing these for you. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.